Yeah, what's up everyone, the Project Moto here. We've got a little unboxing video and a look around the bike. This time it's on the new Scrambler 800 Urban Motard, and we're going to have a ride of this bike as well, so yeah, let's crack on with the video. So we've got the Urban Motard. You ever seen one of these?
Never.
You know what it is?
No.
It's a Scrambler.
Wow, we're about to see, aren't we?
Yeah, it's a new one.
Good. We're doing this in the sun.
Yeah, you're going to have a tan.
It's always
You've done a
sunny,
few
Always
unboxings.
sunny.
You've done a couple of unboxings today, haven't you?
Yeah.
What are you going to have to eat tonight then?
Not sure yet.
What are you going at? Going blue water.
Yeah.
What are you going to have?
Don't know.
Nando's?
No.
No.
It won't be. Oh, I nearly went. Did you see that?
That doesn't look like you fell down an hole. Try and do it again.
I will.
Well look, even the wind wants to wrap her off quick on this one. It's getting a bit blowy.
Blowy.
Oh look, Lucy's come to help.
There's Lucy.
I've come but not to help.
Oh, dear God, Luce.
What are you doing, Luce?
Nothing, just hovering.
This could be yours.
Why? Why do I want that?
It's like a good little starter bike for you.
Starter bike, yeah, it's not that bad, is it? Nice and small.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck off. No. I feel dizzy.
That livened you up, didn't
Where
it?
is he? That's what I have to put up with here.
Is he in your gang?
He's in the gang, yeah.
Yeah. What sort of a member of the gang is he? You know, like, have you ever seen Sons of Anarchy and that?
Yeah.
You got all the different kind of members, in
Yeah.
Who would you say you are? The main geezer?
No, I'm not the
The
main
young
geezer.
geezer? I've never seen Sons of Anarchy. Is it good or not?
Don't know.
Well, I thought you watched it.
No, I don't watch it. I like the front end of it.
What, with a mud guard like that?
Yeah.
You might be able to touch the floor on it.
I might do. Ready? All yours.
You sit on it, see if it is low.
It's
all right.
low.
That's alright, isn't it?
Got a big wheelie.
Quite nice actually. I don't think that's quite the age group they was aiming at.
No.
But the elder gentleman.
Wait, shut up. See, from here you can't see the S, so it looks like a Rambler.
Rambler.
I didn't
You
abuse
look good on
Simon
that.
so much.
You commute on one of them.
I could actually ride one of these, yeah. Don't tell him I said that. The Scrambler, isn't it?
Well, it'd be a bit better with them tyres on, I bet.
Yeah.
Because they don't actually handle too bad with the other tyres, do they?
Nah. I was just like, when you look down on that as well, over the handlebars,
Well, you can
it
see
looks
that-
a bit like a supermoto.
Yeah,
doesn't it?
where you can see the
With a mud guard.
there.
Yeah. Let Paul short shift it a bit. It's wicked.
Go up there, I'll be top
What's
here by
this?
the time
This is the demonstrator as well, is it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It's the demo.
They handle pretty well actually. I remember
Yeah.
when they launched these and we went through the mountains on them. When I say we was flat out, we was actually flat out.
Oh, right.
So it was like, oh yeah, come round the bike, it's nice. And he's just like, whoop!
What were they, Indian?
That's Scrambler Urban Motard. Going to get some fuel in this. Paul's put the mirrors on.
Did I do the mirrors?
No, yeah, you did. I've put
Okay.
the battery in.
Yeah.
There you get a nice little Scrambler. Quite a nice colour, isn't it? Look. Scrambler wallet. It's got any money. It feels like it's got money in it.
Yeah, it's full of money.
We've got the Rosso 3 tyres.
Oh, it's ready to go, apart from the fuel.
Fuel. Where's Cody?
Oh, it's difficult for a young boy doing a simple job like getting fuel. Cody, probably siphoning it out with his mouth. There he is, well
Cody,
done.
you got some fuel, mate. Put fuel in there,
Come round
bruv.
this side.
I'm going to take this out. You want to take it out, Cody, or me? That's the difference, though, isn't it? When we was younger, if your mate, when you was 15, even if 15, no licence, nothing, your mate come along in his RD350 and he was 90, he went, go on, have a go. You just jump on it and ride it, wouldn't you? You wouldn't even think about it.
Rages.
You just wouldn't even think about it, would you?
Yeah.
No one would go, but I ain't got a licence.
No.
Or I ain't got no insurance. You just go, let me have a go, your bike.
You lot of fuck me for us.
Oh, we fucked it for you.
Oh, we ended it for your generation.
Yeah, now I can't get a bigger bike.
Oh.
Oh, that's a shame.
Oh, look, lights are on.
We had a laugh, didn't we, Mark?
We did have a laugh. I tell you, I did have a laugh with motorbikes when I was younger.
Yeah.
So now we've got to plug this in, Cody, yeah? Because it says transport mode. Andy, Paul's got his little
Penis?
Paul's got his little maid trolley. You've got no drinks on that trolley, no?
No, I've drunk it all.
Shall we have a drink in a minute? We'll
Shall we have a
this
tea?
in. We'll have a tea. And maybe I should go up and see Lucy and Jade. You want to come?
Right, you can get rid of that then, Cody, could you?
Yeah, come on, Cody.
Keep it tidy.
Keep it tidy, mate, will you? Trying to run a tidy ship here. Right, so we're all done now. Seats on, batteries on, tyre pressure's done. We're ready to go. Gonna get my gear on and go out. What are you doing?
I might have a sleep.
What you got to do on this then?
Exhaust, clutch.
Oh, it's another one with the clutch conversion.
Yeah, I'll have that done this afternoon.
Will ya?
Yeah.
Right, come on then, Cody, let's get this baby outside. Back her up. Look at her out here. Looks quite nice though, doesn't it? Right, so here it is, the Scrambler 800 Urban Motard. Let's see how different these are to riding the other Scramblers. Come on in, let's do this. Right, so let's take the Urban Motard out. Mirrors. Start her up. Alright, here we go. Yesterday I had a ride of a night shift, 2 icons. I was actually out on quite a few bikes yesterday. What else was on? A GS 1250, Kawasaki Z something, GSXR 600, Super Sport, quite a few bikes really. So this is a new bike, so we're going to take it easy for a little bit, scrub the tyres in a little bit, check all the brakes work as usual. Feels comfy already, it feels like it turns really good. So the normal Scrambler, they don't actually handle too bad, but this is a little different, the Urban Motard. So it's got the mudguard on the front like that, so it's a bit like a Supermoto, or we should say Hyper Motard. But this has got 17-inch front wheel rather than the other Scramblers. I think I've got 18-inch front wheels, so it should turn a little bit better as well. So like riding about now, it's actually just quite nice just to ride around on something like this. Obviously these ain't the fastest things in the world, but they're so easy to ride. If you're like getting back into biking, or it's your first bigger bike, these things are perfect. And you know, I've got another bike that matches my jacket. It's a win-win. So we've cut out some of the running in of this bike. We'll have a little ride of it now. The actual turning of it is really good. It feels lovely turning. What I do want to do is have a little go at some of these bends and not have to worry about cars there. So we're going to have a little bit slow, but why we're going slow, we'll talk about the bike. So the Scrambler 800 has been around for a while. Yesterday I was riding the Icon, the night shift. So the Icon's got a bit higher bars, the night shift's got like flat bars. These are somewhere in between on this. The engine's 73 brake horsepower, so not the most powerful thing in the world, but if you're kind of like new to biking, used to do biking and getting back into it, you know, your new first bigger bike, these are fine. You know, you can still tramp along at a speed. These handle really well, the brakes are good, they're comfy, and again, they're just easy. These are just easy to ride. And this Urban Motard looks pretty cool as well. Little 125s out and about, that's good to see. Problem is on these roads, even as you accelerate a little bit, you're already on a car. So that's the Scrambler Urban Motard. They're 800cc or 803cc. As a bike just to ride out there in the sunshine, like, I really enjoyed it. The brakes are good, they handle good, they're comfy. You know, they're not the fastest thing in the world, but if 2 or 3 of your mates or 4 of you had these, riding around roads like that, you would have an absolute blast, a few of you on these bikes. The 17-inch wheels on the Urban Motard, they do help the bike even more with turning and stuff. The tyres, obviously, they make a big difference over the normal Scrambler tyres. But yeah, these bikes at £10,595, it's a good entry level, and if you're kind of getting back into biking, you know, you want to calm down a bit, or if it's your first bike, they are really good. They handle lovely. I've actually really enjoyed the ride out today, so yeah, brilliant. As always guys, thanks for watching the video, hope you enjoyed it. This is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, so maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
Do you remember Easter?
Oh no, what happens then?
Christ was arisen.
Christ was arisen, was he?
Yeah.
What is the story of Easter?
It's celebrated with the Easter eating of chocolate eggs.
Where did the Easter bunny come into it?
Fuck knows. Who knows about the bunny? To me, it's 2 days off. That's what it is.
And then I could go away somewhere.
You can do that. Where would you go?
I don't know. How much money are you giving me?
How much do you need to go away for 5 days?
How much do I need?
40 quid?
40 quid an hour.
What's that, down to J-Week or?
Yeah, that's good,
40
yeah.
quid would be J-Week.
Buy all your gear down.
Buy all your
Well,
flights,
it's lovely
for the
there.
weekend.
It's lovely down J-Week.
Is it nice?
I drove past it once.
Skidded out the other side with no wheels on.
It looked nice from afar.
Yeah,
Or Bentley Avenue and all that. Or
Oh, they're named after cars, aren't
every
they?
one of them is,
Is
yeah.
it?
No, yeah,
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 old English cars, yeah.
yeah.
Tyrese, come in.
I was actually looking for Nick. I just heard he had a jigsaw and I got excited. Oh, you got a...
6,
Yeah, what year?
14.
How is it?
Yeah, it's coming in on 19th.
Well,
Service and stuff.
I won't get Paul to do it.
Yeah, because it'll be in for 2 days.
Why
Right,
you
what's
got
he
him making the
saying?
teas anyway? I thought that was your job.
What?
Is there a cup of tea for me at all?
Do you want a tea?
Oh,
been left
no,
out
my-
again.
Oh, Leo. He does
Leo.
get left out all the
Oh,
time.
yeah, he was-
Got the usual 6 sugars in for you.
6, is that it?
No, it'd probably just be easier, Mark, to put tea bag in that sugar pot.
Yeah.
Do you know what Martin did? He had a spoonful of coffee straight out the pot.
Do you want one?
I'll do it if you do that.
I'll have one.
Well, you just ate the coffee.
Yeah, just eat the coffee. You ever done that? Try some.
Done like a Mr. Bean, where he puts it in, then sugar, hot water.
No, I just ate that. Have one. Come on, we'll have one each now. Want one?
No,
Are you going to eat one? Get a
Mate, I
spoonful.
might do it. Let me see how your reaction is. Oh, as if you fucking done it.
He's done it.
Again, he's done it again. It's done.
No, I can't.
What's that like?
Oh, what's it like?
Oh,
Nice.
try it. A spoonful.
Always do it. You're going to be like,
Heaped teaspoon, please.
Don't. Now just eat it.
Don't put the fucking spoon in.
Good, mate.
No, chew it.
no, you don't. Oh, see.
That's what coffee is.
That's not got down too well at all.
How did you do that?
That went well, didn't it? Well,
It's all sort of stuck to me.
It's just like a shot of coffee.
That ain't a shot.
Your toothbrush.
That is fucking gash.